Very good morning, my beloved students of 6142 Strata Control Technology. This is our third online lecture of our present spring semester of 2021. To start with, let me know whether my voice is audible to you or not. At least one person can unmute and tell me whether you are able to hear my voice, because these type of problems we faced in many classes. Sometimes voice may not reach, sometimes image may not appear. Shall I start the class? Whenever I have any query from my side, if nobody answers, I consider that everybody said yes. So I can understand you may have some connectivity problems in between, as it happened many times. Otherwise, at your convenience, you can unmute and tell me whether you are able to hear me or not. Shall I go further?
Good morning, sir. Sir.
Very good morning. You are able
Sir.
to
Yes, sir.
hear?
Yes, sir. I am able to hear,
Students
sir.
are
But
still joining, sir.
Malhotra
The
Naresh is
class
also not
just
added,
ended.
sir.
Any problem?
Yes, sir. Naresh is not added, sir. 220MN1132.
220 MN
MN1132.
1132. I am
Yes.
giving now here in the invitations. Okay. And
Okay,
you
sir.
should be able to get it. I am writing this 220 MN. His name is Naresh.
Malhotra Naresh.
Hare. Now I added, I think that call must be going to him. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank
Even
you, sir.
I kept your CR and Nitesh and some people in the owners also. They can also add them. Okay. I think now Naresh is available. I hope he is available, right? So shall I share the slides and shall we start the class? Because generally in the first week, we used to take some time to explain about our syllabus and properly understand why this course is required at the present situations of Indian conditions, if not in the world, so that you will be selecting your assignment topics next week by next week. And that's what I kept already as a file also here. Now we continue further. For this, first let me know if you have any doubts. You must have seen some of the whatever I was trying to explain in the previous classes. Now for today's class, let me share the slides and let me know whether you are able to see the slides or not. Are you able to see the slide? I am sharing the screen.
No, sir.
Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So welcome my beloved students to our Strata Control Technology Lecture 3 at 9 a.m. of 18th December, Friday. This is very good Friday. Now going further, as I was trying to explain what is the importance of the subject since the last two classes along with the syllabus, to show some more part of the syllabus, I was trying to show you what is latest happening in India, especially with some type of exposure to the strata control problems and what we are supposed to learn. Of course, some of you people, you students, maybe there in ground control instrumentation lab also, you must be seeing on my back some of the instruments kept And yesterday already I made some type of simple video and also material to ground control instrumentation lab students. Any problem? Now, this is the total set of instruments to understand strata control parameters. Details we will be discussing later, but just to give some idea, right? These are different type of instruments used, and based on this, you will be making whether it is a load and support or bed separation, stress on the pillars, or load along the roof bolts or convergence with different type of instruments. And this shows in a typical panel or details we will see later where these sets of instruments to understand the strata control parameters are installed, about which we are supposed to learn, and that we kept in the syllabus also. This is a very old 1989-90 when we tried for the first time in India through Ministry Coal project on the strata control in a thick seam mining, when we failed in importing the technologies like blasting gallery at that time in 1988-89, that period where these were installed in the GOF, and that behavior studied through remote control different type of instruments, where I told you we will be utilizing the latest technologies of wireless sensor networks, IoT, machine learning, all those things. And this, of course, few you have seen of the long wall panels at different mines, and how this type of strata control measures, including the shields. I hope you are able to see the number of the shield also here, somewhere 76 or whatever. So this is in the long wall panels, and for that whatever shearer, power pack, pump systems required even to operate your shield supports, these are all required. And few of course you must have seen some of the videos with strata control. Few I know I used to show, but with a different context in the previous semesters. But here we have new students also of MTech and other people. I would like to spare not much time on that, but little time about showing how this Ministry Coal project where strata control instrumentation was done, and that I am showing you now as a video. Are you able to see this, my beloved students? I am trying to show small video clip here where, as a part of Ministry Coal, this is another Ministry Coal project, where three contiguous seams were worked, and that strata control was parameters were monitored. Just for 5-10 minutes I would like to show that, but let me know whether you are able to see.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear the voice in this?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. I will give my voice, right? Because when it was made, this was in 2000 or 2001, it seems, in RK8 incline, where I used to show to some of our students as a method of working, something like that. Now our perspective is a strata control perspective. Here, I will not show everything, but little bit in between. This is number 4 seam, where 3, 4 seams, number 3 seam, 4 seam, and 5 seam were worked simultaneously, and that was done for the first time because it was not there anywhere. You must have seen here, this is a number 3 seam, where at 29 deep of 8.5 level, this is a barrier pillar. We were supposed to know with a stress capsule, this is around 32 millimeter diameter hole made in the pillar, and to understand with vibrating wire sensors, stress capsules, stress meters, there how much load, how much stress is coming on the pillars, so that when you are using different type of models, to understand different strata control parameters. You will be calibrating with that, and at the same time, if there is 10, 20, 30, 40 kg per centimeter square, at what load, what stress, so there is some cracks or stable, all those parameters are monitored. And now you see, he is one of our scientists, at that time scientific assistant Damodar. Now he is a very senior scientist in Canada working there. And here, these are different instrumentation and then readout units being used for strata control parameters measurement. And I am taking you a little more in depth inside where you can see how that pole in different seams was there. And here I am showing you, right, from 3 seam to 4 seam and 5 seam. There are small cross-cut tunnels, and now you can see how this pole is appearing in the field and how it is going to affect strata control. So he is our Narayan, he is a general manager now. He was safety officer at that time along with me. And now we are moving from one seam to other seam, from 3 to 4 seam. And you can see how this strata is appearing, because as a part of, already you have seen, I told you while explaining 1, 2 modules, the geological parameters, to understand that how it is going to affect on the strata control or strata behavior. So that is the reason why I am showing you, along with me. You feel as if you are there with me on my back or front, whatever you assume, but you are with me. Now you are going into another scene. This is like communication tunnel. In that place, it is around 7-meter thickness between that party. That is the reason. These are seams. Now you see the rock parameters. That is how this rock between the seams and how it is going to affect our control. Also a part of syllabus, whose module number 1. At that time I started doing all these things. You see the different carbonaceous shale in between, some type of streaks that are there, so many things now you can see along with you are there on the back. And this is that strata control and monitoring plan, what we call nowadays, but otherwise this is a SSR, that is a systematic support rule of regulation 108 of coal mines regulations 1957. Now it is SCAMP SCAMP, along with me, very senior overman selected for experimental trial. Now you see, for those here, let me know, my beloved students, how many are non-mining students in the MTech? Can anybody respond to me? Because others, they know, I need not explain these things. Non-mining students in MTech, how many? Anybody want to respond?
Almost all the students
21
are
students.
non-mining students, sir. One
Okay,
or
okay,
two
please, right.
are mining.
And then my other beloved students should bear with me. Of course, this they have seen with a different context. I used to show not everything, but only partly while explaining mining methods. That's the reason why I asked you people. Okay, don't worry. So these are different type of support systems used. The props, these props can be wooden props, steel props, of course, these fine hydraulic props they are not recommended at that time. And now you can see on the sides how the coal pillar appears, and there may be some difference. I have not changed from the original as music02.dat file, that is kept just like that, right? Because mining is music for us. Now you see there are another very senior mining sardars and overmen people under managers were there, and you can see soft support and how to design what should be the design, what should be the capacity, everything. And here, again, those can hear the voice, but the reason here is whatever as a science, as an investigator, a professor, or as a person for that matter in life, it should be understood from the level of for implement. That has been my mission and aim all the time. So that this is the way how to explain and used to understand much, right? Is to change the system, support the system, and now I'm going further, not going with the different context we can see. Right. So these are some type of instrumentation to understand very simple telescopic convergence meter here. And this is simply measuring from the roof to floor level what is the convergence, right? And beside me is our Mojumdar who was working with me in that project. Now he's a deputy chief controller in core controller office. You can meet him, he will help you. Right. So here is a Rahul Rajan. He has been working around 17 years in this mine. Must have understood. I told you experience needs many things. So I selected persons for experimental trial with a lot of experiences and those who could understand and implement properly. Now, going a little bit further, now you see these are, let me take you inside the now you see
Sir,
these are different ways of transporting coal. This is a coal tub of around 1.5 tons, 1.25 to 1.5. And you will be surprised to know that along with my project, under the guidance of Professor R.D. Singh, about whom you have been studying his book, for which as a scientist of CMRS, I used to give a lot of material in preparing that. But I was doing a project on longwall mining in 1983-86, and along with that, on the tubs and its design performance, I used to study other than whatever is the project assigned. There are so many important and critical issues which other people could not understand or don't want to do much studies, but it is a part of the total mining industry where improvements are required. But still we are using these tubs. We need a lot of improvements in that. Okay. Right. So this is a means of transporting that with the props you are seeing here. And I am not going to explain you the mining methods, but I am showing you the strata control issues here. When it is along this side, all props are there, and you see our Narayan is beside me, and props, and then in the roof there are roof bolts. I hope you may not be able to see it, but let me make advance, then you can understand. Roof bolts are and now, my beloved students, I am taking you inside the GOF, how it appears, and don't worry, it's not allowed by general public to take video and photo, something like
hello,
that.
sir.
And I told you already,
Excuse me.
this is a part of very prestigious project of Ministry and special permissions were taken from GMS and mine authorities. Now you see, my beloved students, this is the GOF after the major fall, how this roof of, if it is at seam number 5 and nothing is there on the top, if it is seam number 4, then seam number 5 GOF is there, and if it is seam number 3, then GOF of seam number 4 and 5 are there. That sequence you can understand easily. So this GOF behavior, whatever I told you in 1989-90, that was the first time try to understand, and now I need from you, my beloved students in the next generations, to have such type of typical instrumentation with transdisciplinary wireless sensor network and later, of course, analyzing that data through artificial intelligence, machine learning, digital India, smart mines, all those things are required for us. Hearing inside, and you are supposed to understand its behavior. That is the reason why we are studying the strata control technology partly. It is also there in the syllabus. Now you see adjacent to the GOF how these workings appear, and the GOF supports skin to skin shocks. And this GOF, when it settles, before settlement, I mean before settling, it is not settlement of any type of your real estate, but before this GOF settles, this gives a lot of sound, something like a tsunami type of behavior. You will have a qualitative that type of observations, including sweating because of some cracks when lot of heat is dissipated through the cracks, and then lot of increase in the temperatures. There are so many other issues like even water seepage. I don't know whether you are able to see a beautiful drop of water somewhere here. Then these type of things are there. But as an engineer, strata control engineer, to be more precise for our subject students, you should know quantitatively how much stress has come on this, where that separation started at 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, first and later extended to 10 meter, 20 meter, otherwise not at all fall could not take place. Now you can note down some parameters, my beloved students. There are places like southeastern coalfields, you note down the names, Chercha mines, Rajendra mines, okay, where we have done a lot of experimentation long back over 3 decades, even by our forefathers, our very senior scientists, including Dr. T.N. Singh and others with whom I was working on mining method strata control mine model studies long back. So there, in spite of all those studies, so it is required with latest technologies in dealing with hard roof management. That means what? If it is not caving, then this poses a lot of problems to us. So that caving behavior, as one of our colleagues, scientists in CMRS that time, Dr. S.K. Sarkar, you must have seen some of his books, along with Dr. P.R. Shaure, who was sitting opposite to my room in CSIR Simfer long back. He is no more now. He has done wonderful work on modeling. For the first time, he learned from USBM at that time when he used to learn finite element or finite difference models through him in 1989. So now I am taking you a little bit further. Why I told about the model and other things is, now if you understand what is happening in the field, then only you can interpret properly the results of the models. Otherwise, any model is zero and not to be trusted beyond 5% as a tool to understand anything. And if you give without proper understanding of the strata behavior, any conclusions from the model, that is more disastrous, because you spend 10-20 crores of rupees in purchasing that software models and all. That is also part of our syllabus. That's why I'm emphasizing, advocating here. Now, little bit further. Now, from the book, I am taking. Now, water dripping you must have seen. Have you seen the water dripping, my beloved students?
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
So this is what I wanted to show you. Now what is here? Now this is a joining the book, and what type of arrangements I made just for this issue to my beloved students. I hope you could have understood. I wanted to understand even at what load or what separation, bed separation, convergence, and there are instruments which are installed long back in 1989. I told you, my beloved students. And I was there for 5 years in another quarter of Southeastern Coalfield when Sri U. Kumar was CMD, used to visit regularly this mine, not this mine in NCPS, a mining, thick seam mining method. Right. These are some typical experiences of strata control which we will be sharing with you later. But this is the reason why this syllabus is framed. And now this here is our Atul Gandhi, who was research associate with me. Now he's a very senior officer after Gold Year Associates implementing paste filling first time in India, and now in Kolkata with other company in very senior position. Atul Gandhi. In fact, he was making this easier with the plans, foreseen. This is our data control, how support systems are systematically installed. That's why we used to say that this is excellent way of supporting, following all the systematic support rules. And many times in many minds it may not happen. And this is the reason why I was showing you, my beloved friends, you are inside this RPA and College company. Right? It's a shop support, props, how it was installed, you have seen, and you are taking the tool outside from here and roof bolt. It's showing the roof bolt. I will stop this video further. But here I would like to take up your questions. Along with me, already you have seen our Mojumdar. Narayan was here. Now he is a general manager RG2 area, and this is he was a SO2 GM when we closed, taken a decision based on our analysis of fire proneness in GDK 11 incline, that panel for one of the panels, right? When we closed it, we were together to take that decision, and Mojumdar here, okay. Now, two bolts. Now you can see how it's bolted. This one you try to observe. This is a roof bolt. To those at least, especially those who have not visited the mine. Now I made you to be with me at this place. You may not be feeling that cold in this winter, not that hotness in the winter, but this will be hot with more than 30-35 degree temperature. And now you are there, right? And you should ask me questions. Already I encourage you to ask. Now you see how my beloved minor friend was sitting adjacent, installing some type of kickbox. I'm showing you. I asked our Atul Gandhi to focus here. Now he did it. Right. Now this is a roof bolt, right? How it is installed with a plate and then the nut, and then this is there for 1.8 meter inside. This is a sandstone with some carbonaceous shell and other things. From 5 feet. And this is how it appears, the sides and all props, how it is. These are there as a part of your and my beloved students of Strata Control Technology. So he is none other than our Atul Gandhi, right? I have given at that time video to somebody else. We have not made this video by any special people, but it is done by a scientist, and of course he was a research associate with me in my projects at that time. Atul Gandhi here, you can see him, right? Now these are the wooden props, right? And also steel props and so many types of supports. I made it so that as a part of Ministry of Coal project, many people including from the ministry, also people to visit these panels, they should understand, and they can hear, you can see how systematically this gallery is there, show even the name of steel prop, so many things, and I hope you understand part of this, and this is in Telugu, don't worry. Now language is not the barrier nowadays. And now I am closing this, my beloved students, and now I am going further. But before going further, let me take your attendance and also your, let me take your attendance first. Meanwhile, let me have any queries from your side, any queries while seeing this along with me. I have taken you into the mind of such a typical experimental trial of 3 seams simultaneously extracted contiguous seams, first time in the world, and later we practice for some more panels, and its requirement will be there. It is something like Atmanirbhar Bharat and later we will make it Digital India and startups, all those things. And now I am downloading attendance, my beloved students, and let me see whether it is getting downloaded or not. And then if any queries on this you ask me, then I will continue further, so that today itself we should finish all this introduction part, and you should be in a position to select out of this total syllabus what is interesting for you, and that assignment topic you will select on your own, and then you start collecting all the information as a good journalist, a best journalist for that matter. Before becoming any engineer, scientist or investigator, professor, chairman, CMD, whatever, you are supposed to be a good journalist to understand the situation with a lot of collection of the material. You should collect all the material. That's what is a literature survey. And then you will be preparing that report of 10 pages in international journal format of your own selected. You can select on your own, but it should be international journal format. You will be preparing, and that sequence, everything I will explain you. And if you have any queries till now you tell me, so that any queries, and then I will go further in understanding strata control, especially my other beloved students who have not visited any mine, maybe Gokul Satish, other people, no, Nikhil, then Naresh, Piyush. Naresh, you could understand? You should answer me.
Yes,
Naresh.
sir.
Very nice. Have you visited any mine before?
Yes, sir. I completed actually 1 year training also, sir. I got second class competency certificate
That
also
means
from
you are
Dhanbad, sir.
BTech, you are BTech
Sir?
mining.
Yes, sir. BTech mining, sir. Already you came to our college, sir. JBIT Mining Engineering College, sir.
Very good. Then I was closely associated with your Reddy HOD, everything, your principal.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Nice. All the best. Now, because I wanted to know, especially those who are not mining engineers before, and they came from for MTech with us, and I want you people to become masters. When we are awarding MTech degree, you are supposed to be masters in whatever subject you learn. So that has been my main aim. That's why I asked you. Don't worry. Now I am going further. If any queries, you can write here. And but I should have one CEP1 question. Question now. You have seen the GOF inside, so many things, right? So what you have seen the workings, 3, 4, 5 seams and support system, so many things you have seen, right? So what supports are not available but known to you in the video, whatever video I have shown you in the video, along with its capacities, because some of you already you learned, and you can answer some of these things, whatever supports I have shown there. But other than that, what are the supports available from the literature, from whatever you learned before? You should answer me before summarizing that. And now I am going further with the materials. This already we have seen, my beloved students. You are able to see the slide. Shall I go further? Yes, no? Shall I make full screen?
Yes, yes, sir.
Right, I am making full screen. Let me make it like this. And now continuing with the syllabus, whatever I explained up to module 3, my beloved students. Now strata behavior studies. Now you can appreciate better why these are required after seeing these mines, video and some of the photographs. But later, if time permits today or some other time, I will be taking you inside along with me. Of course, I have also not gone inside that Vakilapalli mine where one fatal accident took place, and we are doing some type of investigations where one of my MTech scholar along with their senior most mining officials taken me inside the mine. Then I can take you along with me just like that. depending on the time, of course, and your interest. Now, so that gives you latest why this type of strata control technology is supposed to be understood and studied, and what type of future is there for this, and what is expected from my beloved students of strata control technology. Now, module 4, as it is available in the website of our NIT Rourkela, I kept it here, but it is not limited to only this. And I told you the syllabus was framed not just as a fancy, just to give a syllabus, but depending on the requirements of the industry and the DGMS, so that we should train our next generations to deal with the strata control problems. Now, strata behavior studies, in that it is written as a part of the syllabus, instrumentation for evaluation of strata condition in coal mines. Already I told you coal mines, but don't limit ourselves to only coal, because I will be telling you something more. But this all is learning based education. I told you, my beloved students, this all depending on your interest, and there is nothing stopping you to learn more. Sky is also not the limit, that already you understood. Now, then this can be for metal mines also, right? Then, but major part we will be dealing with strata control in the coal mines, because we have more accidents taking place, and we have more of our role to be played, and we have to do some more research on these, and some more studies and investigations to give some more innovative measures based on the requirements. And this is something like a need is mother of invention. There is a need, there is urgent need, I should tell you. Now, strata control techniques and its application to coal mining industry, and different technologies of strata control, whether it is your long wall technology, whether it is mobile type of supporting systems, whether it is different type of even suiting different type of geomining condition, and suitable to different type of methods, right? And suitable for different countries also. There are so many things, right? So whatever is now I can give you in a very lighter sense, that what suits in mines where thick seam as such a definition itself is in Japan, it is 2.2 meter. In Poland or in somewhere it is 3.5 in Canada, like in US and in Australia and in India, we say 4.8 meter, right? So whatever is suitable at that country may not be suitable to us. Whatever is suitable in Germany, like you may note down, right? Like our hydraulic mining, it was highly successful in Germany. But when we started importing the technology, and I was also a part of that importing technology at that time, as a scientist there in CMRS, then in Gopalichek mine, that was a failure. So country to country, place to place, right? That's why in the different industries, it will be different. And that is where your role is there to understand better way. And that is the reason why, as I told you, our Einstein was also showing you in some of my slides at that time, where case studies, experiences, understanding the problems, and measuring that, giving it quantitatively, and this geotechnical instrumentation. Case studies on geotechnical instrumentation, this is the way I frame the syllabus like this, and strata control in the coal mines. Then, demonstration of geotechnical instrumentation, a part of it is for some of the students, but if somebody is interested, I can add them also. There is no, that's why I told you, my beloved students, since it is online, and when you have the time, anybody else are interested, I am ready to invite them in my classes virtually. There is no limitation for that. And they can also get involved in many projects. There are so many projects, more than a dozen projects. As a part of any project team, you can work and get more knowledge on that. So it is up to you how much you want to learn, and knowledge will flow like a river, and those who are interested, they will take from it. Otherwise, there is no depth of knowledge. It flows. Now, demonstration of geotechnical instrumentation and computer software. That's what I wanted to emphasize, my beloved students. I told you in the beginning. computer software, you make purchase. There are different types of softwares even we have, right? I don't mean a computer software in strata control technology is either your data mine or your SERPAC or Minex. That is not software used for our strata control. These are for mine planning, right? For strata control, these are either finite difference models, finite element models. It can be your flag or 3D, UDEC, two-dimensional discontinuum, continuum model of different type or buffet. हम लोग buffet में खाना खाते हैं, right? So like that boundary element, finite element method, the combination models which we used along with Dr. P.R. Shaurya, Dr. Sarkar, other people in 1980s in CMRS at that time, and so many are there. And already I told you, my beloved students, that software result is 0, less than 5% reliable unless you calibrate, unless you understand the field situations. That's why whenever you get time, be with some of the case studies problems. There are so many problems in the industries. You can get associated with me, especially as far as the strata control is concerned. And last but not the least is your module 5 of our syllabus of strata control technology. This is organization of strata control cell, and here I say with proud privilege as a part of National Institute of Technology Rourkela, we were specially invited by the then CMD and DG, later chairman of Coal India Limited, Narasimha Rao Saab and Sibal Saab, for the 10th Conference of Safety, and given the assignment, the responsibility of training in India on strata control, establishing this, and preparation of some DGMS guidelines prepared on the strata control cell, which have become later as a part of the SCAMP now. Now it is strata control cell in the mines, which was established as a part of 10th Conference of Safety in November, New Delhi in 2007. It was conducted, and I was a part of it, as I told you. Training needs of the first line supervisors. Already you have seen some of our Rautu Rajam and other people were the senior most whom I selected at the time for experimental trials through Ministry of Coal. And the supervisors need to be trained, and all the supervisors for that matter who are involved in the strata control, because we have so many lives working under them, under their supervision. And unless they properly understand the strata control measures, there may be lot of disasters which we have seen, and I can give you n number of examples, and depending on your interest to understand better and become more best strata control engineers in India, if not in the world. Then the supervisors includes even mining sardars, overmen, or the person, if he is a shot firer, if he is a supporting mazdoor, he also should know. I used to tell them in the mines also, not now, even in 1986 to 88, when I was a assistant manager, under me 500 persons working in the most mechanized mines of and the largest mines in Singareni collieries, where we were implementing some strata control technologies. I used to tell them, as a support mazdoor, as in charge of supporting team, they also should understand what is a strata control techniques means. May not be scientifically understanding everything, but the implications, application, and then what type of instrumentation installed, and how to infer, how to interpret its result or its understanding, indication of all those things. Those things we will discuss further, of course, not at this time. I am keeping it for you, but later I would like to have some of your experiences on the most difficult situation of strata control, what you have seen in the mine. That will be my CEP question 2 posed to everybody. That is, what is the most difficult situation of strata control you visited in your any mines or anywhere through your literature or through whatever it is, because that becomes a base for us to understand more better, my beloved students. For what? For the effective implementation. This is what is a word I kept in the syllabus of module 5, for effective implementation of the latest strata control technologies. that latest technologies should address the latest problems, and that problems, whatever you have seen, what are the problems in India and the world, I will be explaining to you. But whatever you experience till now, that you should tell me within only 1-2 minutes, of course, before summarizing. That is your CEP question 2. And going further, my beloved students, many people used to ask me, it is there, of course, in the syllabus also, whatever is there in the curriculum, essential reading. There are so many books. In addition to this also, I will tell you. So you need not note down, but you can note at least the names, Zeramik and other people on strata mechanics in coal mines of your Balkema series and whatever. Then there are SS Peng and Xiang, so many books by them, and Binevsky, of course, strata control in mineral engineering. You can see John Williamson. There are latest, so many books are there by some of my beloved friends, maybe Professor S.K. Das and other people from IIT Kharagpur. He was with me in Germany for some time. We were together on this strata control issues only in international conference on roof bolting in Aachen University long back in 2001, where we were discussing on this, and some parts are there in his book of all that materials. Now, supplementary reading, there are so many things where I told you Dr. T.N. Singh, of course, he was my guide of PhD also, and with whom I was working for 10 years as a scientist in mine model and mining methods department. And he is a pioneer in equivalent material models, and of course later, along with the team of Dr. P.R. Shaure and Dr. Sarkar and other group, and Dr. Saxena on the subset and other issues, we learned a lot in CMRS time under the directorship of Professor B. Singh. Along with him, I was there for 1-2 years directly working for SIMFER, now renamed. Now, underground winning of coal, there also he has given a lot of examples of strata control, including some of the experiences I told where I was involved in the experimental trials. In that book also it was mentioned. Then Hudson Comprehensive Rock Engineering, this gives very good comprehension, right, of so many, even edited books are also there, and few I kept it here as a part of with a tribute to our very senior personalities, our senior investigators in India, eminent scientists with whom I was there for a long time in my initial career. Dr. T.N. Singh and then Professor D.P. Singh was a vice chancellor for so many universities, Lucknow, Rewa, and all. These two were my guides from IIT, BHU, and SIMFER. Then stress distribution during extraction of pillars in the coal seams, rock mechanics and rock engineering, and of course, when you write this, my name, you will get all this. This is one of the pioneering work already I told you, where that data still is there with me of 10 seconds interval, and I am searching for one Arjun. I don't need Kaurav Sena to make our science go further, but Pandava Sena is sufficient to do anything. But in that Pandava Sena also one Arjun is sufficient. I am searching for him, and I can hand over all the data of whatever I mentioned here in this publication, and still it is there with me. Yesterday I was quoting this when some of the people kept me as a panelist, and I hope I kept to one of many of our beloved students, where application of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning can be implemented using that data, whatever I told, and that data is a unique data of this Go behavior and all, and later I with my knowledge, whatever I could gather, it could not be done. But it is very much required, my beloved students, to further improve the technology, and that we should make as a part of our Atmanirbhar Bharat or Digital India, whatever you say, under the guidance of our president of CSIR. To the other parts of the world, we should give new technologies, and that helps. And I am looking for you people to do that. Now, another papers like this, ground control technology for mass exploitation of coal deposits with continuous miner, some of the latest technologies, where one of my beloved students, MTech scholar, now he's a very senior official in Coal India, He was there with me for 1-2 years in NIT Rourkela with lot of interest to learn more on strata control. And he presented on my behalf also there in West Virginia, where I was there for some time presenting in Mine Safety and Health Administration and NIOS, National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, on strata control, which I think I took you through some videos in the last class, you people. And he represented me there in the next recent, some of the recent one, 2011, and I was there with them in that Pittsburgh, West Virginia in 1998, interacting with Professor S.S. Peng and Chris Mark and Kramer, all those people. Later I will tell all those things. Now we are coming to a very beautiful part. We have 10 minutes more, my beloved students. I will not take more than 5 minutes to explain, because already I told you our main purpose is a learning based education. I need not feed you with A, B, C like that about mining or strata, right? You know up to at least KL, and I can start from MN, and that's what is our mining department for those who are not mining by BTech. Don't worry, my beloved students, you can get a lot of information through website and all this explosion of information, right? But it all depends. That is there flowing like a river, and you have to take, right? आपका हाथ में लेके, those who can understand Telugu, మీ దోసిట్ల తీసుకొని ఎంత కావాలంత తాగాలి, right? So that's what is required for the learner, and I know my beloved students, many as a faculty advisor, that you are all sincere and you will make our NIT Rourkela feel proud and becoming the best strata control engineers in India, if not in the world. I can vote for on behalf of you. Now, assignment topics already. Now, this is the way how we select. This is as a part of extract from clause 7.2c of UG academic regulations, maybe part in the PG everywhere, what we follow. And some of my students here are executive PhD scholars with lot of experiences as a general managers, as in different organizations in India. Now, from CMPDI, from IBM, from MCL, from SECL, from Jindal Steel, from MOIL, and they also will be helpful to you while interaction. This all depends on, and that's what I told you. Now let me go further. Performance in home assignments, class tests, tutorials, Viva OCR quiz are to be considered for assigning the marks in teacher assessment, TA, and it is recommended that at least 2 class tests for credit theory course. Of course, ours is a 3 credit course, so don't worry, we will take 1 or 2 depending on that. And 1 test for 3 credit theory course are to be conducted for a subject, in addition to take home assignments and in the class quizzes. The class quizzes we are conducting, and already I told you, my beloved students, my diary is there with me, noting down your names, who are responding, and based on that your TA marks are given. And I don't know, some of you people, you means not in this subject now. In the previous subject, they may get failed because they were sleeping, could not respond, could not answer properly. Now, the weights of different subcomponents of TA may be announced to the students by the teacher at the beginning of semester. Now I have 2 minutes more to explain to you. As per our scheduled planned time, it is now 9:50 to 53. Now I am explaining that. This is our schedule of announcement of weights of different subcomponents of teacher assessment for our spring semester of 2021 and MN 6142 strata control technology. This is a percentage of TA 20 marks for the class test 1, and that will be conducted. Of course, this I have not modified. One is here. This is 18th February. This September it should be read as February. That was not made properly. This will become 2nd. Now you note down, my beloved students. I will correct it when I send this one. So because all the classes, everything I have written, class 1, class 2 up to class 30, 40, on which date and when there is a holiday, all those things. Based on that only, on 21st day, right, of your classes for strata control technology, this is on 5th. So this will be on 5th. I am modifying now itself. This will be a 5th February, you note down, for your class test. It will be conducted for 20 marks This is 5th February, right? And then your class test 2, let us not worry for these because based on COVID situation we will see. And your home assignment, we have made it on before 15th February, so that will become a 25th class of our this semester. That will be 15th February. So this is our schedule. And then this for assignment 2, don't worry now, that depending on COVID situation, we will select COVID situation. Okay, so don't worry for this. The same thing for number 2. This all depends on COVID situations. I wish this COVID should end and we should be in a position to meet personally and see, greet and have a tea together and eat something, whatever, right? So this already I made even the list also. I am just displaying it here. Already it is there in your, and now your duty is, and that is assigned one CR of BTech and CR for dual degree, CR for MTech. 3 CR should be in contact with me within 1 minute. I will close now with me. Then you should collect all these topics of their interest. If any doubts, of course, they can discuss with me anytime, either through WhatsApp or we have a group. I wish you should, you are having a group, I think, WhatsApp group, right? Similarly, my advice will be for ground control instrumentation, MN3724 also try to have a group of your CR. And here I would like to say, but now let me have, because I have so many things to show, but depending on your interest, I do that. And in fact, I wanted to take you to that Vakilapelli mine with me, but I also was taken through one of my MTech scholar, Maharshi. He must be giving his CIL interview now with a lot of experience and confidence of seeing this latest fatal accident, strata control, whatever knowledge they have with association with me in so many projects. He must have flared well and he must have, or he must be having a lot of confidence. This is what I wanted to show to you, but this we will keep it for next in these mines. I wanted to take you inside the mine, but now I am not taking you. This is that place how the strata control in multi-thick and all appears. But now let us go to our answers for your CEP answers. Otherwise, anybody who is answering your CEP 1 and 2, CEP 1 and 2, anybody? Because that will be given for only 1 minute. We have my time, whether it is right or wrong, showing 9:57, 58. So within 2 minutes we should close. Now Gokul, Satish and Nitin, they are wanted to say something. Yes, say. Who is
Yes,
say? You tell your name and then.
Sir, Nitin Singh.
Nitin, okay, Nitin answering. Right.
Sir, I have seen that in the video there was no metal support, so I just answered the CP1. It's
Very
metal
good.
support, sir, and metal fence support, and sir, its capacity is near about 16K pounds.
Very good. Anybody else? Very good answer by Nitin.
Yes, sir. Gogul Sadish, sir.
Anybody else?
Yes, sir. Gogul Sadish.
Gokul, yes.
From the video, sir, there was a glimpse of wooden lock support also. So,
Very good.
in some cases, a good quality wood can be used also, and it is usually a 4 to 6 meter long part that is used, covered in some sort of protective material, because the water and other natural elements can destroy it. Also, there was showing some sort of roof
Last
bolt
1
also.
minute left.
Roof bolts are good supports and that have high support capacity. That is
Very
necessary for sealing that have weak fractures.
Right. Now let us go to summarizing. Who is summarizing today's class? Summarizing today's class. What you learned from today's discussion? What you learned from today's discussion? Online class. Otherwise, within 30 seconds, I will summarize and close it. So 0 for all on this summary. 0
Sir,
for all.
sir,
Yes.
sir, I would like to summarize.
You tell me your name first, and within
Sir,
30
Nitin
seconds
Singh.
you should do this.
Sir, Nitin Singh.
Nitin, okay.
Sir, we have gone. Yes, sir. So starting, we have gone with a video in which we have seen that there was 3 seam support, 4 seam support, and 5 seam support
Very
with
good.
29 diameter and 8.5 level, 3
Very
seam
nice.
support.
Very good.
And sir, there was types of support in which there was wooden support, steel support, and bolt support system. Especially, we have seen, and
Very
sir, there was a ghost system, and we have seen that there was a leakage in the mine. Also, after the end of
It
the
is very
video,
good,
since the
Nitin. Nitin, okay,
wall
nice,
was
nice. It is
available.
nicely
Yes, sir.
done. Because we have another class also, no, for you and for me also, underground coal mining
Yes, sir.
methods for your juniors. So all the best, my beloved students, and dhanyawad to your parents. They are helping you a lot, right? Help them. You are there with them now at the home, and take care of COVID-19. And Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Utkal Janani, and what more I should say? Jai NIT Rourkela. Now I am closing, stopping recording now. All the best once again, stopping, and then I have to close.